Welcome back to Ride Reviews, your ultimate destination for the latest, boldest, and fastest rides on the planet. If it rolls, roars, or races, we've got it covered. Now buckle up, because today, Ferrari just dropped a next-generation bombshell. Say hello to the 2025 Ferrari Roma, the next general beast that's redefining what it means to be elegant and aggressive at the same time. This isn't just a refresh. It's a full-on evolution. Under the sculpted hood lies a monstrous 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, now boosted to pump out a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower. That's a 20 horsepower jump from the previous Roma, pushing it from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds. And the top speed, north of 199 miles per hour. Yeah, this thing is illegally fast. Ferrari didn't just crank up the power, they reimagined everything. The exterior design is smoother, leaner, and somehow more muscular. The next-gen Roma has a wider stance, new signature LED light patterns, a redesigned active spoiler, and a front grille that looks like it was carved by the wind itself. This car isn't just built to perform, it's built to seduce. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit straight out of the future. The new Roma features a wraparound digital dashboard, a redesigned center console with haptic touch controls, and upgraded materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and laser-perforated leather. The dual cockpit layout is now even more immersive, giving both the driver and passenger a fighter jet feel. And yes, there's now wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard. Ferrari also unveiled new paint options for the 2025 Roma, including Nero Stellato Black, Rosso Imola Red, and a stunning new blue Roma Metallic that shimmers differently under every angle of light. Combine that with new 21-inch forged wheels and you've got a visual masterpiece. And here's the twist. This next-gen Roma is no longer just about being beautiful. It now includes adaptive suspension, four-wheel steering, and Ferrari's side slip control 8.0 for an unmatched driving experience. Whether you're cruising through the city or ripping through mountain roads, the Roma gives you total command. So what's the damage on the wallet? The 2025 Ferrari Roma starts at $285,000. Fully loaded with all options, carbon upgrades, bespoke interiors, custom paint, you're looking at around $340,000. Pricey? Yes. Worth it? Absolutely. The 2025 Roma is more than just a new Ferrari. It's the symbol of what happens when timeless design meets raw, modern performance. It's smoother, faster, more refined, and it just might be the best GT car Ferrari has ever made. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ride Reviews. Hit that bell so you never miss when the next game-changing ride hits the streets. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your engine roaring.